super excited with you, and I wanted to come to you to share Google Forms. With the holiday season upon us, it's such a fantastic time to reach out to your customers and your VIP groups and invite your clients to shop with you and to also extend the opportunity to help make their holiday gift giving and receiving super easy and fun for them. And a Google form is a great way to do that, to invite people to shop your holiday boutique and to give you their wish list and also to let you know who they're shopping for. And if you create a Google form, you'll be able to capture that information really quickly online via text message, via private message. You can post it in VIP groups. And the way you're going to do it is creating a Google form by just going to Google. And if you have a Google account set up, a Google Drive set up, you're just going to click on that. If you don't have one, it's really easy and it's free to set up. So go ahead and set up a Google Drive and Google account so that you can create this form. It's free. And in Google Drive, you have lots of different applications and things to work with, but you're going to go in and you're going to click this little plus button, new, and you want a new form. We don't want a Google Doc, a sheet, or a slide. We want a Google form. It's going to give you an option. You can select a blank form or a template. Now, the template is something that Google had already pre-created. If maybe you need to schedule an appointment or something, they have different templates. You can explore those. But for this purpose, we're going to create a blank form. And so just click on that. And what's going to happen, it's going to dump you into a blank slate form. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a holiday wish list. So first we have to name our list. So we're going to go 2018 Ruby Ribbon Holiday Wish and Gift List. Awesome. And we have some options here, so we fill this out, right? And it populates down here. It's going to give you the opportunity to create a form description. And what we're going to do is say, please complete this holiday wish list and I will help your holiday wishes come true. For ideas and inspiration, visit my personal website and just type in your website, rubyribbon.com, and then / your name. And then you could put XOXO Kathleen, and then include the best way you want them to reach you. If you want them to send you a text, you want them to send you an email, however you want to do, private messenger, your handle. So once you get a description here, we can start creating our form. Now, what we can do here is, first of all, I want to make it pretty. And there's some options up here. If you look at the customized theme, you can change the color. So maybe you want to make it red or green for holiday, maybe blue for Hanukkah, whatever festive season you want to celebrate. You can change it up. Maybe you want to make it orange because we're in Thanksgiving, fall, whatever you want to do, you can do your theme option. You also have an option to upload a photo image that'll drop in this background here. And it's just a fun way to make it personalized to you. But now we're going to talk about creating questions. And first of all, the first question we're going to want to know is who's filling it out. So name, first and last name, short answer. And then we want to make this required because we don't want people to be able to bypass that because we won't know who's filling it out. Then what you can do is put address, so that you have a shipping address, so that you know where they live. You can also do duplicate. I'm just duplicating it so that it's allowing us to do this address, phone, and best way to contact. Okay, so there we go. So those are just the basic information we need: who we're talking to, where they live, how to contact them. Now we want to start asking them a question. So the first thing is people who will be shopping for me. I want them to include name and best way to contact. Okay, so there you go. So that way they can put in their husband, they can put in their mother, they can put in their best friend, their sister, whoever they want you to reach out to for them. So then what we're going to do is you can duplicate it or you can add a new question, however you want to do it. And then once you add the question, you have choices. You can do multiple choice questions, short answer, paragraph. I'm keeping them paragraph because we just want them to just feel free to type and tell us what they want. So what we're going to hear is ask them, my Ruby ribbon wish list. Please include item, color, size, and price. Okay. And then let's see. What we will do is let's also say, who are they shopping with? Okay. Women I am shopping for this season. Please include their name. And what I'm going to say, their name and price range for gift suggestions or item size and color. Okay, so that'll help you because you can offer the service to help her do some things on her wish list, right? And then you can also ask some questions if they'd like information on how to host a holiday get together and earn items free and half price. You can put some questions in here asking them if they'd like more information on how they can earn income this holiday season to have a debt-free holiday. So you can continue to see, you can use this form just to gather whatever information you want about your customers and who you're working with. And it's just a really fun, easy way to do this. And once you have your form created, you're going to want to go up and check the settings and make sure it's not restricted to anything. Uncheck all these boxes. And what you're going to want to do then is, if there's somebody you're working with, maybe a business partner, maybe you have an assistant, you can add collaborators or other people that you want to have access to this list. You can share it with them. You can copy it, make different forms. Another thing you can do is preview to see what your form is going to look like by clicking on this eye. Yep. And it's going to pull up the holiday wish list, right? So this is what your customer is going to see when they click on the link that you send them. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. But let's just do this first. I'm just going to just show you real quick how you can, oops, don't know what happened there. Go away. Kathleen. And then 1, 2, 3. Create any town. USA. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then you get the idea. So we're going to fill in my phone number. Super quick and easy to fill out. See how easy this is? So I'm going to say Joe is my husband and he's somebody you want to call. And my mom. Okay. And whoever you want to call, right? And then my wish list. I want the vegan leggings, size large. And then I want the boy. These are really my wish list, guys. Blazer. I need a new blazer. I've worn mine out. Size large. And I didn't put sizes in here because you know what? As a customer, I probably don't know exactly the sizes, but you can put it. I think it might be, what is it, 129, maybe 149, maybe. So that, and then women I'm shopping for. Okay, my sister, she's going to love the suedettes. She already loves the suedettes. Lynn, she wants a suedettes in ink, the new color, and she's a medium. She's a little smaller than me. So there we go. So then you could go on, fill out all the forms. They're going to submit it. So what happens when they submit it, right? They can submit another response and fill it out again. But I'm bringing us back to our original form. And basically now what you're going to be able to do is see the responses of what people put in. You can look at the summary and it's just going to list the summary, but that's not going to be very helpful for you. You're going to want to see the individual responses. So you know each individual form, what people filled out. But then what's really cool is that you can also create a spreadsheet, and it's going to basically create a spreadsheet, new spreadsheet, create, and it's going to open it up just to show you. So there, all of a sudden, look at that. You have a really easy list to just make your phone calls, follow up with whoever, and then if you need to add a column on here, you can add a column in here to make notes. Like I think G is the last column, or there we go, H. So you can just make some notes. So you can, like left message for Joe on 11/2. Okay. So whatever you want to do, follow up. If you don't like your things wrapping, you can wrap text. There you go. So there we go. A little cleaner, right? So it fills it all in. There you go. And you have your list that you can work for your holiday list. Let's go back to our form here. Just going back to the top. The way you would share it is you just click send, and you can email it, or you can just copy this link. I like to shorten the URL so it doesn't look so intimidating. You can copy it, and then what you can do is you can text it out to people. You can private message. You can put it in your VIP group. You can offer a drawing for everybody who gives you the form and fills it out. Lots of different ways you can use this to really service your clients this holiday season. I mean, we have such fabulous gift items and things that every woman would be happy to have this season. So have fun, and I hope this tutorial helped, and have a very happy holiday season.